good run up, beautiful. Like the scenery is insane. This video is brought to you in part by our sponsors, Alberta OHV Trail Riders and Toy Factory Fabrication. Well, there it is. 113 clicks. What is going on, you guys? Good morning, Griffin here with Country Slickers. Today on the channel we're doing something a little bit different. We are going jet boating, river jet boating. So second time I've ever done this in my life. I connected with a couple of guys online that said that this was just the thing to be doing, and that apparently, yeah, at the end of the day, this is just the most fun that you can have. Better than side-by-siding, better than sledding. So we're gonna go try it out. We're gonna see what's up. We are out in, right now I'm just passing through Dawson Creek on our way to Tumbler Ridge. We're gonna go check out a run called Kinuseo Falls. So should be a good time. Never been there. I've seen a few photos online. It looks beautiful, but we're gonna go have a time. So we're meeting up with a guy named Dennis, and another gentleman might show up, Kyle. We're gonna check it out, see what's going on, see how we like it, and yeah, I think it's gonna shape up to be an epic day. Weather's beautiful. It's 20 degrees already. It's only 10 in the morning, so we should have a great day out. Stay tuned, you guys. I know we aren't typically jet boat people, but maybe this can be a new thing. I don't know. So stay tuned, you guys. We're gonna roll up here. We're gonna meet up at the boat launch and get the boats in the water and get going. What a cool area. Tons and tons and tons of these windmills. They're everywhere. Awesome, man. So this is a 15-footer with what engine? It's a sport jet? 200 sport jet. Full UHMW. Cool.
That guy in Vernon built it.
Oh, okay.
Ryan Dock Speeder.
Crazy.
Just does them out of his garage. Does a really nice job with them.
For sure. He does all the ultra decking and all that
Everything,
too?
Yeah. Cuts it all out on his CNC table that he's got in the garage there.
Nice. And that's a Southern Jet pump. So is this the pump that comes with that motor?
No, this is an upgrade.
Oh, okay.
That has the electric trim nozzle and the upgraded reverse bucket.
Oh, okay.
Aussie insert.
We're here at the Murray River boat launch. We're gonna drop the boat in, and then I guess we're going that way. I don't know what direction it is, but that's the way we're taking. That's gonna put us right up to the river. So we'll take a look. Should be good times. That's it. Killer. too. That's insane. You see all the canyon around here too. Crazy. That's insane. So it took us about an hour and a half to get up here. This Maddox boat made it look like nothing. Easy peasy, couple of gravel spots. We walked over all of it. But what a view, what a spot to get to. Wow, crazy. Dennis, thanks man. That's so cool, man. That's amazing. That's once in a lifetime trip for me. That's insane, yeah. Most people never get to see that, I bet. Alright you guys, so we just completed the trip to Kinuseo. Super cool time. Huge shout out to Dennis. Thank you so much for taking me out here, buddy. Awesome trip. Easy river as far as the accessibility. I think we ran through maybe half a dozen skinny sections where you got to get on the gas a little bit and skip some rocks, but for the most part, pretty good run up. Beautiful. Like the scenery is insane, and obviously the you know, the accessibility is pretty nice. That's a heck of a view. And what a fun little boat, like the 15-footer. Super fun time. Easy. Didn't take a lot of water. Ran through really nice. So if you guys have any questions about the boat, drop it in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer it, or I'll reach out to Dennis and make sure I get you the correct information. But awesome day out. Kinuseo Falls, everybody. If you're a jet boater, be sure to check it out. Tumbler Ridge, definitely a cool spot to be. But we will see you guys in the next video. We're gonna get packed up and head back down the river, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Until then, Country Slicker out of here.